Hey guys, Dexter here from Dexter's Workshop. This is another measurement that I'm going to take. So basically what I've made here is that I've changed the jog mode from continuous to step, and I've set the cycle jog step to 0.01, as I would like to see how precise is the stepper. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jog step by step and see how precise it is. I think it's zeroed, so I'm going to just jog it. So it's not bad, regarding the fact that from my previous video I said that there's a 0.01 backlash. So if I'm going to preload it, move it in the right direction, and then let's see if I can put it on 0. Okay, quite okay. Let's see. So if I'm going to preload it, as you can see, it's quite decent. So there is a 0.01 backlash, but I'm not going to compensate because the backlash compensation from the Mach 3 routine is not that good, and sometimes it's just a useless feature, in my humble opinion. It's not a problem. It really doesn't bother me having a 0.01. So it's quite decent. It's quite decent, especially that this machine it's sold as being 0.05. So having a 0.02 or a little bit under 0.02, it's more than enough. So yeah, thank you for watching this. This is Dexter from Dexter's Workshop. Bye guys.